How to delete Passkey on Binance. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily delete the passkeys that you have set for two-factor verification on the Binance app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. The first thing you need to do is open up your Binance. And once you open up your application, you just have to make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you just want to tap on the Binance icon on the top left corner. And from here, you will be taken to your profile. Just tap on your profile section right here, then tap on security. And once you do that, you will be taken here. And once you get to the security, just tap on the passkey that is biometrics. And if there is any set, I've set my fingerprint right here. If you want to delete it, you just tap on the delete icon right here and then tap on continue. And once you do that, you'll just have to verify with your passkey one more time. And once you verify, your passkey will be deleted from your account. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.